At Spiffy, we are constantly innovating, and when our customers ask for new services, mobile oil change is consistently in the top 3 requests. So, the Spiffy Labs team went to work. We refined the Spiffy Green standards and operational excellence our customers expect and developed a cleaner and safer process for Spiffy mobile oil changes. Rather than draining oil into a pan, our technology allows us to vacuum the oil out of a vehicle and directly into our van's secure tank. Every Spiffy service uses this method and is done on a reclaim mat, ensuring that nothing is left behind. Like all Spiffy services, we come to you at home or at work and change your oil while you go about your day. Our oil change service features full synthetic motor oil that can last up to 2 times longer than conventional oil. Spiffy's mobile oil change includes a new filter and multi-point inspection, all using our eco-friendly Spiffy Green process. Spiffy, much more than clean.